So we're right here somewhere, and I'm hanging out with the railroad tracks. So far I don't hear a train coming, but like I said, who knows if the train's in service for these tracks. That track, I'm not sure, but we'll have to find out as I'm walking along. Pretty nice clear day, huh? Haha. Yeah, man. Gotta say, some kind of adventure so far. Yeah, man. Just walking across, just doing my thing here. You know. Yeah, pretty sunny out, I'll say. And so that's that. What the hell is that thing? Some midget of a cricket. Yeah, cricket midget. Yeah. Alright, we're getting further down here. As I can see, oh damn. I saw a lot of litter. A lot of empty bottles just littered all over the train tracks before I came down here. Oh man. Here I am. Hopefully I can find my way through. Will I be able to get out on time? Graffiti. Wonder what that says. U5F. I wonder what the heck that says. Off RGKI. Interesting. Alright. Coming down the line here. Yeah, man. Down the end of the last track. Apparently, yeah, it is dead. Yeah. And so I'm here. So I'm gonna have to cut the tape.